Unboxing the phrase, icebox, a journey through language. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase from the English language, icebox. This term might sound chilly, but it holds a warm place in the history and evolution of English. Whether you're an English learner or just curious about language, join me in exploring the depths of this interesting expression. Let's start with the basics. The term icebox refers to an early form of a refrigerator. Before modern refrigeration technology, people used iceboxes to keep their food cool. These were literally boxes, often made of wood, lined with tin or zinc, and insulated with materials like sawdust or straw. A large block of ice was placed inside to keep the contents cool. So, the term icebox is both literal and descriptive. In this section, we delve into the historical significance of the icebox. The icebox was a common household appliance in the United States and elsewhere from the mid-19th century until the mid-20th century. Its invention and widespread use marked a significant leap in food preservation techniques of the time. Understanding the era of the icebox helps us appreciate how language evolves with technology. As refrigerators became more common, the term icebox slowly began to fade, replaced by the modern term refrigerator. Although the physical icebox is mostly a thing of the past, the term lives on in the English language. In some regions and among older generations, refrigerator is still colloquially referred to as an icebox. This section highlights how language can preserve history, even as the objects or concepts they describe become obsolete. Now, let's look at the metaphorical and idiomatic uses of icebox. Sometimes, icebox is used metaphorically to describe a situation or a place that is very cold, devoid of warmth or emotion. For example, someone might say, "The meeting room felt like an icebox," indicating a lack of warmth or a very cold temperature. Understanding these uses helps in grasping the nuances of the English language. And that wraps up our journey through the phrase, icebox. From a historical appliance to a living piece of language, icebox offers a cool glimpse into the ever-evolving nature of English. I hope this video has warmed up your understanding of this chilly phrase. Stay curious, and keep exploring the wonderful world of language.